IBM halts hiring, turns more jobs over to AI. The CEO of IBM has said that IBM will pause hiring for roles that AI could do. This could replace up to 7,800 jobs, as reported by Bloomberg. This is a frightening scenario for those who are worried about AI taking their job. Outsourcing to AI. The first response many have toward this is, what about the CEO himself? Why not outsource that to AI for making decisions? Up to 30% of IBM non-customer-facing jobs could be automated in the next 5 years. The CEO of IBM, Arvind Krishna, said that AI will transform the company and that it would be used to augment human intelligence but not replace it. He sees AI being used to improve customer service, automate tasks, and having the ability to make decisions quickly. It's interesting that he says AI will not replace jobs, yet 7,800 jobs are likely to be automated within 5 years. Growing concern of AI. There is a growing concern about the impact of AI on jobs. There was a recent study done by the McKinsey and they found that up to 800 million jobs could be lost to automation by the year 2030. The study found that AI could also create up to 950 million new jobs. The jobs that are at risk for AI to take them over are any job that is repetitive, such as data entry or any routine analysis or transcription/translation of text. The jobs that will take longer to automate are any jobs that require creativity, problem-solving, and social skills. Hiring pause. IBM is doing a hiring pause, and this is going to make some people concerned. Some people will be concerned about the potential for job losses, while others will be excited about the potential for AI to improve productivity and efficiency. I think doing a hiring pause is not good for employee morale. I would be looking over my shoulder if I worked at IBM, wondering when the other shoe is going to drop. People worried about AI. The news that IBM is pausing hiring for jobs that could be replaced by AI is likely to be met with concern by some people. Those who are already worried about the potential for AI to take their jobs may feel even more anxious about the future. It is important to remember that AI is still in its early stages of development. It is not yet clear how AI will impact the workforce in the long term. However, it is clear that AI is a powerful technology that has the potential to change the way we work. Those who are worried about AI taking their jobs should start thinking about how they can adapt to the changing workforce. They should consider developing new skills and training that will make them more marketable in the future. They should also be open to new opportunities and be willing to change their careers if necessary. It is also important to remember that AI is not a threat to humanity. AI is a tool that can be used for good or for evil. It is up to us to decide how we use AI. We should use AI to improve our lives and make the world a better place. Are you worried about AI taking your job one day?